Hello and welcome to the tutorial for Chamma Chamma by Dwance. Let's get started. Lunge forward with the right foot and left hand in the air and then reverse. Next, you're going to take that right foot and lunge, going deeper with 3 counts and come back to the center. Make right angles, go down 3 times, come back to the center. Hands are going to make that 8 sign up in the air right by your chest. One more time, lunge right, lunge left, and go back, lunge 2, 3, and come back to the center. Good job. Now pretend to hold something with your fingers, just like that. Lean slightly back, all the weight's on your left foot. Right foot taps 4 times. You're going to change direction, reverse the weight, and tap again 4 times with your left. One more time, lunge right, lunge left, go back, 2, 3, and center, tap right, 2, 3, change, left, 2, 3, center. Now we're going to take our hands, spread it in the air, and take our left foot forward like that, and then drop the hands, turning the knee. Spread and then drop. The heel also drops to the floor. Make sure you bend your knee, spread, and then drop. Good job. One more time, bend and drop. Great job. And now we're going to pretend to hit the side wall with our left hip 3 times while our hand goes in twice and up twice. Great job. Make sure your knees are bent so you can move your side easily. Good job. 2 of the spread drops and then 2 ins and 2 ups. Good job. Take both hands, flat palms, start from the right, make circles over the head, following a single, double rhythm. We start with the right, then go left and the double right. The feet are going to march on the toes, knees turning inwards, following that single, double rhythm. Single, double. Now left, right to left. Then we are going to jump, squat, take our hands all around in a circle and stop right there, and then make a circle in the air, pointing our right finger, all the weight on the right, and left leg ready to kick. 3 times. Kick it and then come back to the center, and now pick up your right heel, make a circle and sit. Hands are going to use that elbow. The elbows are going to rest on the left hand, your right elbow. Your heel's going to go up and make the circle. One more time. Kick left, 2, 3, and center, circle, sit, circle, sit. Good job. This is going to be our chorus step, version 1. Version 2, you're going to push with your right palm, chop with your left, and walk back, bouncing slightly as you walk back. Good job. And now come forward with a flat toe rocking move 4 times. One more time. Flat toe, flat toe, flat toe. Good job. You're going to pretend to chop something as your palms are facing out. One more time. Kick, 2, 3, sit, make a circle, sit, go back, 2, 3, 4, forward, flat toe, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Now your right hand's gonna go over your head, pretend to hold something with your fingers, and your right leg's gonna kick in the back. You're gonna slide kick 4 times. You can shake your head. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Great job. And now you're gonna sway from side to side 2 times or 3 times, and then jump, quarter circle, turn around, again sway 3 times, jump, quarter circle, turn back, sway 3 times, jump side, sway 3 times, jump facing forward. Again, you're going to repeat that back kick with the right hand over your head 4 times. Good job. Let's dance.
उड़ गया रे चुरा लूं